Hello friend, namaste. My name is Kiran Mishra and I am from Nepal. I am just going to show how to extract the data from attribute table into Excel sheet or text. So let's catch it here. First open the Arc map. Just for example, let's open the attribute table which from the land use classification, which I have already done. So this for just for the example, just go to the option here, export it, and export in required file, so that it will be very easy to find. This time I'm going to save it in desktop here, and save it in the form of text file. Okay, save it in desktop and minimize it. So here is the text file, you can see here, and let's open it into Excel. Just open Excel, go to file, open the file, go to desktop, go to desktop here, go to desktop here, go to desktop here. So let's go here and click into all files, so that the all file you have saved is appeared. So open it. Oh yes, open it, and let's go to delimited and go to next. Just click in commas, so that your value is separated in the form of column like this. So again click into the next and finish it. So by this way you can easily plot the value into data of attribute table into the Excel sheet. Now let's catch another way to save the value. So here is this is in data view. Let's click into layout view. So you can also put the data of attribute table into layout view by this way. Just open it, click option, and add table to layout. And before adding this table to layout, you have to improve the font size of this data. So let's improve it. So go to appearance. From this option you can easily improve appearance. Just for example, you can increase cell height, increase or decrease cell height, column header height. You can manage column header height and table font size. Let's make it into 14. So by this way you can increase or decrease, you can arrange the font size, you can arrange this table. So let's click this option, add layout table to layout. So let's cancel it. So you can observe this value into here. So by this way you can also add this table into here, and you can export from here, export map. So let's save this file Zinrook land use land cover 2020 into desktop in the form of JPG. So let's save it in desktop. So let's observe it, what will happen. So this is the way you can extract the data from attribute table into different forms. So thank you for watching this video.